अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे प्लीज सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक प्लीज.
Hi, I'm Chirpy. Have you ever wondered how birds like me grow up? Let's find out. Stage 1. Egg. Every bird starts as an egg. Inside the egg, the baby bird is growing. Stage 2. Hatching. When it's time, the baby bird hatches out of the egg. Look at that tiny, fluffy chick. Stage 3. Nestling. Baby birds are called nestlings. They stay in the nest while their feathers grow. Stage 4. Fledgling. Once their wings are strong enough, the nestlings become fledglings and start learning to fly. Stage 5. Adult bird. Now it's all grown up. Adult birds find food, build nests, and the cycle begins again when they lay eggs.